You have to put the seasoning down. That's it.
Hey friends, so last night I went to a wedding and I did not put everything that I can put away into the greenhouse that I should put away. I did not put them away, and it got down to 39 degrees last night, and I was just like, either I'm gonna go to the garden today and everything's gonna be fine, or I'm gonna go there and like my tomatoes, my squash, not squash, my zucchini, my green beans, all my stuff is gonna be dead. And I was just like, please don't let the last 3 months have gone to waste. And guess what, y'all? They didn't die. Everything is still looking pretty good. Pretty good. You know, they might be, no, they're not even shocked at anything. Like, they look good. And I am so grateful, but I'm not going to chance that again. It's going to get down to like 40 tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff in the greenhouse, because I don't know what the day is going to hold. Like, sometimes in the evening, like, it just get busy. Like, you know, life be lifing. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff in there now so that I don't even have to worry about it later. All right. But let's take a look around and see what's going on in the garden. So first off, these are my tomatoes that I'm growing in my grow bags. Y'all, they are looking phenomenal. I put mulch on there. I did a video about mulch. Good thing about that is when I water them, no dirt spreads up from the mulch. I mean, from the soil. So there won't be anything that transfers from the soil onto my leaves. But they're looking fantabulous. These, oh my gosh, I need to get these planted. I put them over here because I planned on planting these in grow bags, and I've neglected to do it, but I need to go ahead and get that done. Strawberries are still looking good over here. My zucchini plant, y'all, it is flourishing. I have them covered. I can't get this all. There we go. I have them covered. Gosh. There we go. One of my neighbors was talking about how her zucchini plants got destroyed by the vine borer. And I'm not sure when the vine borer comes in, so I'm gonna just keep them covered as much as I can. But you guys can see, I told you I'm growing them vertically, but you can see how they're starting to grow upwards. So the plan is that they'll grow upwards and hopefully sit in here, and you know, it'll just keep going up. But they're looking good. I told you I can't wait for some zucchini chips. Green beans looking good. We got some flowers going on down here. Yep, flowers. So we will have green beans soon. On the other side of one of the raised beds, I grew even more green beans. I started those ones from seed. These ones were transplants that I got from the nursery. This stuff just needs to be planted. Like, this is Jimmy Nardello peppers. No, not Jimmy Nardello peppers. These are Jimmy Nardello peppers. These are New Jersey Wakefields. And then these are my chamomile that don't look that great. I might just direct sow some chamomile. This is parsley. It needs to be planted. It needs to be planted. I have some time this week, so I'm going to do that. I did not post my potato update, but y'all, these things have grown so much. Like, I just filled this up. I might have to post it just so that you guys can see how much growth has been. Like, I added the 5 inches of soil, and like, look where we are with this. It's so crazy, like the amount of growth that we have. This is the garlic. Garlic is still looking really, really good. Probably could use a water. This is my lemon tree.
It's gonna grow lemon.
Yeah.
I was gonna tell you yesterday, I meant to say, why you ain't got your orange tree? They don't grow big.
Yeah. I'm gonna get an orange tree. I want peaches first. Peaches or pears first.
Peaches.
Yeah, so my collards and kale. Yesterday, my mom and I cut collards and kale. But look at this. You know, they'll just keep producing until disease, bugs, or what's going on here? I don't know. Something had to get into this. Oh yeah, Something got in there. This whole head of lettuce is practically gone. Interesting. So lettuce that something got. So I'll just add that to my compost bin. Yeah, I'm gonna be working on the compost video because I'm not currently composting the way that I should be, but it's okay. That lettuce is messed up, but look at this. Y'all, can you hear that? Can you hear how crisp and crunchy that is? Very proud of this lettuce. And then this is the lettuce that had died from the sun skull, and it came back. Like, this tower is so pretty. Very beautiful. I almost don't want to eat it because it looked good. And I'm thinking about planting some lettuce as like ornamental lettuce. You know, like walking up my driveway, because like, look how pretty this is. Yep. So this is where another place where we cut the collards and everything from yesterday. But you know, they'll keep growing. They will keep growing. My onions are looking really good. Here we go. They haven't started to really bulb up yet, but I'll be looking out for that so that I can kind of move the dirt backwards. This is my broccolini. No little heads of broccoli yet, but the growth is amazing. Here are my early girl. This is one of my big performers last year. So, you know, remember with tomatoes, you just want to tap, 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 tap when you see the flowers. That helps to pollinate. And remember, I pulled the suckers off. You can see another sucker forming here. Maybe. I'll give it a little bit more time before I actually prune it off and take it away. But yep. That over there is another tomato. I think that is, I don't know what, I can't think of what kind of tomato. Oh, that's the pineapple tomato. And then that is I think it's called oh, what is it called? A tomato white lady, I think. I wanted a white tomato. So this is what, oh, that is a big bug. Y'all see that? Oh, don't stop moving now. Yeah, oh, where'd he come from? Okay, so this is what I was really worried about. So I have these strawberry transplants. They are so pretty. Let me back you up some. They are so pretty. Look at these pink flowers. Look at them. They're so pretty. These need to be planted, y'all. These need to be planted. I got time this week. Like, I'm telling you, tomorrow's, going to be the day that I get this stuff done. I'm going to need y'all to hold me accountable, all right? I'm going to need y'all to hold me accountable. Over here are my other transplants. These are the ones that I was beating myself up about because I was just like, oh, I could just go get the whole bin. That's why I like this little tray here, because I could just lift the whole tray up and put it in the greenhouse, which is what I really need to do, which is what I'm going to do, not what I need to do. I'm going to go ahead and do that. But look at them, y'all. These transplants ain't no joke. Like, I grew this from seed, y'all. I grew this from seed. I am so proud of myself. Look, what we trying to do here? Y'all see this? Look at that. Can y'all see that? Them little flowers? Yeah, we need to get rid of that. It's too soon, buddy. What kind of pepper is this? Oh, this is jalapeno. Actually, I think those are early jalapenos, so maybe I won't. Maybe I'll let them go. Now, what you can see is like here, this plant down here is kind of getting shaded out by the other tomatoes. So it's struggling just a little bit. So I'm gonna take this one out. Like, look at the growth compared to the other tomatoes. So I'm gonna take it out, let it sit over here, and let it get some of its own light and not be shaded out by this other stuff. Cause like, girl, y'all, these tomatoes are flourishing. Yeah, they doing that thing. Matter of fact, it's time to get these in the ground, but it's gonna be like 40 degrees at night. multiple times this week, or like in the 40s. But y'all, they look good, man. I cannot believe I grew this from seed. I cannot believe it. Over here, I'm trying to get my shadow out. I hate when my shadow's in there. Over here, y'all see them cukes? Them cukes coming up. I don't think that I posted my video when I planted the cucumbers. I think I did it the same time as I did the beans. I thought it'd be a little boring to keep watching the same thing over and over. But on that side over there are my pickling cucumbers, and they'll grow up this archway here. And then over here are my regular cucumbers. You can see one has sprouted, and I don't see another one, but I definitely planted more than one. And then my beans, y'all, my beans are starting to sprout. Look at this. So this is the dragon tongue bean. I'm so excited. But y'all, I planted like 4 and only 1 has come up. And then over here, oh, that scared me. I planted, I think I planted 8. I planted 8 and nothing has come up yet. Oh, well, I guess this one has come up, but nothing else. So we'll see. We'll see what we get. Like I said, one of my goals is to grow enough beans to last us all year. This is what I thought was collard greens, but I'm pretty sure this is cabbage. I'm pretty sure this is cabbage. If y'all are expert identifiers, let me know. But I'm pretty sure this is cabbage. My salad tower is looking okay. I had to prune some leaves off at the bottom, but we're bouncing back pretty good. It looks amazing. And then my brassica bed, we kind of like went in it yesterday. I finally put the tool up over it. We went in it yesterday because we cut some kale and some collards that I'm about to go inside and cook. Yes, I am. So yes, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Oh, we have a strawberry over here. Y'all, if y'all know any varieties that get like super big, like I want to grow big ones. Most of my strawberries are tiny. Like, look at this. What we gonna do with? What we gonna do, y'all? What we gonna do with this? Like, what is going on with this? Help me. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. But anyway, the strawberries are still looking good, y'all. We've been eating them faster than they're growing, though. That's for sure. But it's all good. We're going to enjoy it. And I got more to plant. That's why I had to go back and get more, y'all. Oh, look at that one. It's pretty. And I love to just see them, like, sprout out over the sides. Like, it's so nice. Yes, yes, yes. Strawberries everywhere. More strawberries. These strawberries are actually ones that overwintered yesterday. Overwintered, and they're coming back beautifully. Like, I really need to clean this up a little bit. Put some fertilizer in there. But yeah, I was very happy that they came back. This is the only bin where they did come back. The other ones died. These are more strawberries. These are the biggest ones that I'm growing. And unfortunately, there's no tag in there, so I don't even know what the variety is. I'm kicking myself, y'all. Whatever. I left a lettuce plant here. It looks really good. What I don't want is for it to start bolting. But like I said, this week is going to be really cool. Like, we're going back to spring instead of summer. So that's good. That's what we need. Let me put this back here. All right, guys and friends, thank you so much for joining me today. Y'all know the drill. Join the Lamely, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on what we're doing in this beautiful garden this summer. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. All you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye.